So you might be in a position where you forgot your Snapchat username. Now, this is very common, so I wouldn't freak out about it too much, but you have to remember that you can either log in with your username or your email. So if you forgot your email, that's kind of a little bit of a different story. But what I would recommend doing straight, as soon as you go ahead and boot up an Instagram or Snapchat and you want to log in, just go ahead and log in with your email instead of your username, and that could end up fixing the situation. I would probably guarantee that 99% of people out there, maybe you forgot the username, but you at least remember the email associated with your Snapchat account. So you can log in with your email or Snapchat and try that specific way out. I guarantee you 99% of the time that may end up fixing the situation for you. Now, if you click on the forgot your password icon down here, you can see that you have a few different ways to reset your password. Now, you're not wanting to reset your password, you're wanting to find out your username, but you can still reset your password and actually, still log in with your phone number. So if you don't even know your email or username, you can try putting your phone number there and seeing if that works. Probably it's not going to work, but it's still worth a shot, and you might be able to recover your username that way as well. Now, let's say that doesn't work. The rest of the way, for the most part, is basically different ways that your account is associated within your phone. So if you make your way over to your settings application, whether you're on Android or iPhone, you can go ahead and find the way to do this. You want to get into your password option. So either you can get into passwords via settings here, or if you're on Google Chrome, you can go into passwords there. And you want to see if there are any usernames within Snapchat that are saved here. You can go ahead and search up Snapchat in this specific portion. When I search up Snapchat in this portion on my personal device, I can see my username and password. So I would recommend doing the same exact thing. Going into your password manager, seeing if you can find your username and or password that has been saved, and that could end up fixing the situation as well. Now, those are the main ways to do it. If you want to look back in your emails to find your username, that's another thing to do, but those are pretty much the main ways to do it. At least that's how I did it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.